Hi, today I have a very cool looking and awesome padlock for you guys. It's an ASSA. It's pretty old one. It was without the core or without the pins in the core, and I come on, and I put a new shackle. The shackle was so awful, and I put a new core, and I put the ASSA 600, and with this fantastic keyway, there is a space. It's pretty zigzag, but there is a space for a pick, and plus inside there are all the key pins are all the drivers are ASSA barrel-like spools, and the core is counter milled and requires a interesting tensioning, so it's very small amount of tension that requires, and it's a pretty interesting pick. I'm usually like heavy on my tension, but with this one I need to be like very precise. So click from 5 and 6. It's a bit strange position for me. I'll try my best to organize or reorganize things for you so you can see it easily. So 1 nothing, 2 3 4 nothing, 5, it's binding, couple of clicks from 5 6, couple of clicks from 6. I think I set pin 6 and pin 5. I set pin 5 again, pin 6 is back. I think I set pin 5 and 6. Let's start from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 nothing. I think 6 is, no, 5 is back. Yes, couple of clicks from 5, from 6, sorry, 5. Thing is set. Now it's 1, no, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5 is back, click from 5. Couple of clicks from 1. I need to click again from 2. Three, nothing, 4, nothing. Let me check again. 1, and I want to remove a bit of tension. No, nothing from 1. Couple of clicks from 2. 1. This was a 3. 2 clicks from 3. Click from 2. Now 4. Now 1, I think. How to click from 1. Yes, we're open. It's a very tricky pick. That's, come on, open it. It's really tricky pick. I was like, probably I will open this one at one point. I was like, but yeah, we open it. I need a screwdriver to remove the screw. Yes. Stop it. Come on. It's a fantastic pick. It's very, that's the back plate. Let me put it there. Let me remove the screw if I can. Here how the bottom look like. I will not remove that. I will not remove that part because if I remove that one, I'll need to the ball bearing will fall out and the shackle will be removed. Can be removed. Here's the screw. I need another one. Oops. Yeah, I can lock it. I think I can do it from here, or I can do it regularly, but I want to do it regularly. It's a bit easier for me. I don't know why, but maybe it's easier from the. Doesn't matter. One way or another, I need to remove these screws, so I can remove the core and show you the how it's called. Show you the counter milling. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, here it is. Here's all the pins and the beading. It's wild beading. Let me drop all the pins. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard, 6 standard. Let me rearrange a bit. I will show you later the core. Come on, stop it. Let me get all the pins, drivers. They're all ASSA. I think they're all ASSA. Yes. Come on. And the last one. And there are a couple of springs. They're all more or less all the same. So let me show you the core. Here are 3 drill protections. On the bottom side there are no drill protection. Sidebar, it's not really a sidebar for this one, and the core, everything is standard. So yeah, that's the core, and here's the body, and you can see 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. They're counter milled. Hopefully you can see them. The difference, you can see the difference from here to here. The counter milling is fantastic on both sides. And drill protection, they're removed. Maybe I remove it when I repin it, because sometimes they're falling out. And here's all the pins. As you can see, all key pins are standard. All 6 drivers are barrel-like, and they're fantastic. They're very tricky to pick, and because of that, let me move it a bit up. Because of that, how it's called? Because of that counter milling, they're catching a lot. So that's why you need a precise tensioning and counter rotation sometimes. And yeah, it's a very nice padlock. I'm really glad that the last year I picked ASSA Twin 6000 and now ASSA 600 barrel-like. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.